Hi there, this is Architect David. Welcome to Arkida, where you can learn anything and everything about construction. For this video, we will be talking about small-scale septic systems, usually for residential purposes. Home wastewater, which is water that comes from your kitchen sink, lavatory, and toilets, enters the septic tank. The septic tank is what is called as a bioreactor, where microorganisms break down the organic matter in the wastewater to liquids, gases, and solids. Gases are vented off through the house vent stack. Solids are composed of both scum and sludge. Scum is lighter than water and floats to the surface in the septic tank. The solid parts are heavier than water and sink to the bottom of the tank. The bacteria in the water feed on the waste, and the fraction that can't be decomposed is called sludge. It accumulates at the bottom of the septic tank and must be removed periodically. So the 5 parts of a sewage disposal system are the house plumbing, the sewer line from house to the septic tank, and the septic tank outlet sewer pipe, and the final soil treatment unit. For the first type of a small septic system is called the conventional, wherein the outflow of your septic tank is directed to a drain field. That is, if you have big areas to have it drained. If not, you drain it out to the city sewer system. The next type is called the chamber system, wherein the outflow from the septic tank goes to a distribution box, wherein it is now distributed to the drain field. Another variation is the drip distribution system. Coming out from the septic tank, it goes to a chamber. Then from the chamber, it goes to a drip irrigation system. This is advisable for those who have agricultural lands, wherein you can use the water outflow as your irrigation system for your plants. The next variation is called the aerobic treatment unit. This time you will need an air pump to pump air into the sewage system inside the septic tank. This is to increase the bacterial activity inside it. The mound system variation is used for areas of shallow soil, high groundwater, or shallow bedrock. The recirculating sand filter system uses another tank. So coming out from the septic tank, it goes to another tank wherein it is going to be pumped to a sand filter system before it drains out to the drain fields. The evapotranspiration system is ideal for those with big lots because you will have to have the sewage water coming out of the septic tank to evaporate in the air. The constructed wetland system is a variation wherein you have wetlands in your area. Meaning to say, going out of the septic tank, it goes to the wetland. It has a gravel bed down below for any other excess water to be pumped out or to be drained out to the drain field. Now for the cluster or the community systems, obviously you will still have your own separate or individual septic tanks. Then out of that septic tank, it goes to a collection chamber wherein it goes to a drain field. Now for the house plumbing for sewage, the house plumbing system includes the waste pipes, vent pipes, and water traps. Remember that the waste pipe should have a vent pipe above it. A water trap must be installed in the drain line between each fixture and the main stack. Adequate cleanouts are necessary in the stack so the plumbing and sewer line can be serviced and cleaned. Cast iron or copper drain system may be found in older homes, while most new houses use plastic sewer pipe listed in the plumbing code. The sewer line from the house to the septic tank may be plastic sewer pipe with glued joints or cast iron with stainless steel clamps or leaded joints. Please read through the text to understand how to design your septic system. Now, to talk about septic tanks, it has been used for on-site wastewater treatment for more than 120 years. A single and two-compartment septic tanks generally are used with individual home sewage treatment systems. Please take note that the liquid discharge from a septic tank is called effluent. Effluent from a properly maintained septic tank is slightly cloudy and contains fine suspended solids, bacteria, and nutrients. The picture on the right is the sizing table of a septic tank. Please take note that it uses the number of bedrooms, not the number of people. So if you have 3 or less bedrooms, you need about 1,000 gallons of the minimum working capacity of a septic tank. Now, to locate your septic tank, the septic tank should be at least 10 feet or 3 meters away from the house. But if you have constricted spaces, then I would suggest to refer to a sewage engineer or a plumbing engineer on how to install your septic tank. The 3 variations of constructing a septic tank is: one is poured in place concrete or concrete blocks, 2 is precast reinforced concrete tanks, and 3 is fiberglass or polyethylene plastic tanks. When designing septic tanks, make sure you have an inlet baffle and obviously an outlet baffle wherein the treated sewage water is going to the drain field or to the city sewer line. There should be access holes for the septic tank. Please read through the text to determine what size it is required. But for the inspection of the septic tanks or for cleaning of sludge, for most houses, cleaning every 3 years is satisfactory. I hope you learned something from this. Please move on for our part 2 on small septic systems. Click the subscribe button to discover all the other videos in this site. Click the notification bell to be notified about new videos that we post. If you have additional comments, please post them down below or at our Arkida Facebook page, and I will answer all your queries. Thank you.